Okay folks, here's a quick video. There's a big shortage of toilet rolls it seems here at the moment, but I can show you a technique that you can use at home to make one roll like this have hundreds of uses. So let's say you've only got one sheet left. Pretty simple. Watch carefully. Just fold it in half and in half again, and this corner, just tear a piece off. Don't lose that, very important, don't lose that. Open this back up, you've got your hole there, put your finger in the hole, just do your business on your behind. Then you very carefully wipe your finger there, and that little pocket there will hold everything. And you just twist up the end like that and dispose of it in the toilet. Now this little piece here, quite simply, is there for cleaning your fingernails. Job done.